Once again, a very warm welcome to all of you. The video lecture series presented by Professor Rakesh Ashwant Gedam for C programming language. So, our today's agenda is try to understand the what are the different library functions that includes maths and string handling functions. So, let's try to discuss about the maths library function and string handling functions. So maths library function are nothing but a function which allow us to perform some mathematical operation through the function which is defined in math.h header file. The math.h header file contain the various method for performing the mathematical operation. Likewise, the sqrt, which is for square root of function, then power, cell, and floor, etc. Those are nothing but some mathematical function which is available to us in math.h header file. Header file is nothing but a file which consisting the different functions or inbuilt functions which accommodated in a such a way that which we can easily utilize by the developer while working on the C programming. So there are some certain math.h header file function which included in the header file, say cell, CEIL cell. Inside bracket we give the number. This particular bracket indicate that it is a function, means it is a cell is nothing but a function. So cell function is used to round up the given number. It return the integer value which is greater than or equal to the given number. Then floor function, inside the floor we pass the number which is used to round down the given number. It return the integer value which is less than or equal to given number. SQRT, which is used for find the square root of the given number. Power function is used to return the power of given number. It consisting two parameter, one is the base and second one is the exponential. Then ABS for absolute value for given number. No doubt those functions required some parameter, and except the power function, all those are function have list one parameter, say number, to perform some mathematical operation on it. Let's take the example. Here we include the hash math.h header file, then stdio.h, which is nothing but a standard input output directive. Here in printf statement, as we discussed in the previous lecture, format specifier, say percentage d for integer, percentage f for float, etc, etc. We will use here the format specifier for f for cell 3.6, then format specifier f cell 3.3 for absolute value, as I discussed the round up the values. Then we use the floor function, sqrt function, power function, and absolute value function. And as I discussed the previous slide, that is cell function is used to round up the given number, floor for round up the given number with less or equal to the given number, and sqrt. We will find out this particular output. Say for cell 3.6 gives 4.0 for round up number, 3.3 gives the round up value of 4, and etc. Then next function we need to describe about the C string function, which is inbuilt function which is provided by any C programming. So the string can be defined as the one dimensional character array, as we discussed in the previous video. That is character array known as a string, and obviously it should be a terminate with the null character when we'll considered a character array. The character array or a string is used to manipulate the text such as word or sentence. Each character in the array occupies one byte of memory, and last character must always indicate with the 0 or /0. The terminate character /0 is important in strings, which indicate there is nothing further for this string to read out. There are two ways to declare the string in C language. One is by character array and second one is by string literal. So let's try to discuss bit in much depth what exactly a string.h header file consisting. There are few function which is by default supported by the C programming. which is included in header file, say string.h. So strlen function, which is used to find out the length of a string. strcpy means copied the content of a source string to the destination string. Mean strcpy for copy the string, and it required two parameters, the destination and source file. Then concatenation, we use the function strcat. It also require two parameter, the string 1 and string 2 for concatenation. strcpm for comparison, and it will return the whether the string is equal or not. str reverse is used for reversing the string. strlwr for lowercase and strupr for uppercase. So let's try to discuss bit in one by one. So strlen function is used for find out the length of a string, and obviously it does not count the /0, that is null character, because it's indicate only the end of a string. So how we can calculate the length of particular string by using the built-in function, which is written in string.h header file, we will discuss. So to check out that, we provide the str.h header file, then string.h header file. Without this str.h header file, string.h header file, we cannot access the function, say strlen. So before use the strlen function, we need to include the header file string.h. So here inside the main function, we write the character array of size 20, and here we define the string with by character. So single quote indicate the character, and we assign it by the character array. So capital letter R, A, K, E, S, H and /0, which is indicate the end of string, is written in the character array having the size 20, and then we print the length of a string using the strlen function, and it gives us the length of a string, that is 6. Similarly, strcpy function is used for copying the source string in the destination string. So we require two parameter, one is destination and second one is a source string, where to copied and from where copied. So for that, we also use the string.h header file, which having the function, say strcpy. So similarly, we will take the same character array, say rakesh, which is defining with the string, which is defined with the help of character array. And second character 2 is nothing but an array, where we want to copy our string. So in strcpy function, we give ch2, which is nothing but a destination, and ch1 is nothing but a source file from where we need to copy it. And when we copied the value of a string, second string /s is nothing but a string, and will pass to the ch2, means we want to print the string 2, which is copied by using the strcpy function. In first string, we store rakesh, which is nothing but a Rakesh, and terminating with the null character, and we execute the program. We will find out the output is Rakesh. So in this way, we can copy it from one string to another string with the help of inbuilt function, say strcpy, which obviously consisting two parameter. One is the destination and another is source. Next is strcat. Cat is for concatenation. So when we want to concatenate two string, then we will use this particular function, say strcat, which consisting or required two parameter. One is first string, and second parameter is second string, which we want to concatenate. So here we will take another character array, say HELLO, and then second string we will pass C, and with the help of strcat function, with first string and second string, when we concatenate and want to write this string with the help of forward slash percentage s and represent ch, then it will concatenate two string, that is hello C means first string and second string, and we concatenate this string in the string ch, which is nothing but our first string. So it will return the hello C. Hello is written in the first string and C is written on the second string, and when we display the second string say ch, then it will return the hello C. So in this way we can concatenate two string. strcp strcmp is a function which is used for comparison of two string whether the both string are equal or not. So let's try to understand. Our strcp function also consisting two parameters, a first string and second string. So in str1 we will write down the some character, and str2 will also consume some character. So let's try to understand how this can compare. So we will declare two strings, str1 and str2, and with the help of gets function, means read one by one character from string, we will use the gets s function. Gets s for a string, which will consisting the one by one character we read from the console, and similarly gets str2 for reading the character one by one from the string. And using the strcmp we pass str1 and str2 and assign equal 0. We will test whether the it is equal or 0 or not. If both string are equal, then it's true, otherwise false. In printf statement we will print if strcmp mean str1 and str2 if equal 0, then those string are equal, otherwise those string are not equal. So when we will run this program and passed hello in string 1 and hello for string 2, when both string are equal, then the function return the equal, otherwise it will return the not equal string. So strcmp function which is used for comparing compare the two string. Then strrev, which is nothing but for reverse of the string. So similarly, in the previous example we will take one character array to read the string, and we will read from gets function. We'll pass the str to the gets function, and we will print the str with the help of forward slash percentage s, and with the help of str reverse we will pass the str means string whatever we read, and then just execute the program. So we will find out this result. Say in first string if I pass the Rakesh, r here capital letter R is first letter, then AKESH, then with the help of string reverse we will reverse the string, means HSEKAR is written for this particular string. Str lower LWR is make the uppercase letter to the lowercase letter. So similarly here I pass the str function in the str lower, and it will convert the character which is passed in uppercase into a lowercase. Similarly for uppercase we will use the function strupr and just need to pass the string whatever we read, and if it is read in the small letter, with the help of strupr we can convert into uppercase letter. So thank you very much for being with us, and stay tuned for our upcoming video. You may like and subscribe for more and more videos. Thank you very much.